Today Cycle Talk is going to punch a few holes in this tyre so we can test out the new Cargol repair and inflation kit, which has the twist and go system and the wick system for repairing tyres with the inflation canisters that are supplied. The grey twist and go is for ATV and trials tyres because they have a thinner carcass and it's easier to snap off head. The black ones are for ordinary tyres. The wick system is for the Doubting Thomases, a little bit more old-fashioned, but the advantage of that is that you can plug a bigger hole by using 2 wicks, whereas with the Cargol Twist and Go it's just 1 per hole. The kit as it is here retails for $75 and also comes with a carry case inside that is available separately for $12, although you can get the kit in a much smaller. So what we're going to do first is repair this with the Cargol Twist and Go system. So the first step is to mark the area that's been punctured, because we want to be able to find the hole when we remove the offending article. Then we use the pliers supplied in the kit to remove the said offending article, in this case a rather sharp screw. Removing the offending item from the tyre. Then we get our Cargol screw-in unit. Careful to insert it, keeping it perpendicular to the tyre surface. We screw it in as far as it will go. And then once it's fully inserted, then we snap off the head. Now all we need to do is inflate our tyre and we're ready. So in this example we're using the wick to repair this puncture. We've marked the puncture and removed the offending item. This is the awl that you insert into the hole to clean out the hole and also to slightly enlarge it so the wick will fit in. The wick is threaded on to the eye unit there. It has to be halfway through. Then we insert it into the hole, into the tyre, and we need to have about 1/3 of that wick poking out of the hole. So we'll get that in there like that. And you need to make sure it's at least 1/3 sticking out, so that when you inflate the tyre, the wick doesn't blow out with the tyre pressure. Once we've inserted our wick into the tyre, we cut off the excess, being careful to leave about 5 mm poking out of the tyre. So we'll just cut that off there, and now we're ready to re-inflate our tyre and be on our way. Screw the adapter onto the valve of the tyre, and then we have the canister which has the mesh covering on it, because the temperature will drop, so fingers don't want to be making contact with the metal once the CO2 starts to run out. Then we screw our canister into the adapter on the tyre. Yep, now it's going on. Screw that on. Screw that adapter, that cylinder onto the adapter. You can hear the pressure going into the tyre.